Welcome back to AI Tools, your survival kit. Today, we're diving deep into the world of AI tools that are revolutionizing the way we create and interact. Let's embark on this futuristic journey. First up, RunwayML. This tool is a game changer for creators. Imagine transforming your thoughts into captivating videos without any hassle.
So Runway it's both a research company and a product company. We build core algorithms and systems that we can then deploy into products that are now used by millions of people for all sorts of different things. Actually, the origins of Runway and this idea of building like this full stack company date back to like 2015, where we really started like building algorithms and understanding, mostly in the computer vision side of things, how we can take AI systems and apply them inside the creative context.
With its intuitive interface, you can generate videos from simple text prompts, making content creation a breeze. Next, we have ClipDrop, an AI tool that's redefining digital art. Whether you're a professional artist or just starting out, ClipDrop allows you to create stunning visuals.
A few places where a disconnection happens to life. Now one of the things that you need to understand about ClipDrop is it started off being a video interviewing platform. That's where it started. So it was a case of, right, I've got, I want to try and create a video interviewing platform, but I want to understand firstly why it is that so many people have what they call a negative candidate experience.
By blending styles and images seamlessly, you can achieve a unique artistic expression like never before. Ostagram is another fascinating tool that merges two images into one mesmerizing masterpiece. It's like having a digital canvas where you can blend your imagination and reality.
Discover Ostagram and unlock your artistic potential. Transform your photos into remarkable masterpieces.
Let me show you this crazy cool fusing AI tool called Ostagram.me. Again, this can be used on your phone or computer, and what this AI does is fuses two pictures.
Every creation is unique, offering endless possibilities for artists and enthusiasts alike. Adobe is not far behind with Photoshop's new AI features. This tool predicts and extends images, making it easier for designers to create consistent visuals.
And a lot of conversation has happened about generative AI and how generative AI can accelerate the creative process. But that's not adequate. And what you really need is a product like Photoshop, where you can integrate generative AI into what you're trying to edit. And so when we showed what we have done with integration into Photoshop with Firefly, I mean, people's jaws just drop.
It's like having an AI assistant that understands your design vision and brings it to life. Communication is key, and Google's AI is revolutionizing it. From crafting perfect emails to generating comprehensive documents, this tool ensures you convey your message effectively.
How can I help you? Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd. Sure, give me 1 second. Sure, what time are you looking for around? At 12 p.m. We do not have a 12 p.m. available. The closest we have to that is a 1:15. Do you have anything between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m.? Depending on what service she would like. What service is she looking for? Just a woman's haircut for now. Okay, we have a 10 o'clock.
10 a.m. is fine.
Okay, what's her first name?
The first name is Lisa.
Okay, perfect. So I will see Lisa at 10 o'clock on May 3rd.
Okay, great. Thanks.
Great. Have a great day. Bye.
That was a real call you just heard. The amazing thing is the assistant can actually understand the nuances of conversation. We've been working on this technology for many years. It's called Google Duplex. It brings together all our investments over the years in natural language understanding, deep learning, text-to-speech.
It's not just about automation, it's about enhancing the quality of communication. QRCraft is not just another QR code generator. It allows you to create unique QR codes that convey a message, making your brand stand out.
This is why step 1 is to always try to identify the best, most logical, and most relevant and useful placements for your QR codes. Next, once you have the location of your QR code decided, you're going to be better able to determine what kind of functionality is going to suit it best. For example, if you decided to place it on your storefront, then you would use this for marketing and promotions.
It can help you tie up your strategies together and make your campaigns more accessible to your target audience.
In today's digital age, it's all about making a lasting impression, and QRCraft ensures you do just that. Reface.ai is all about fun and creativity. This tool lets you swap faces in videos, allowing you to step into the shoes of your favorite characters.
But then I used AI called Gen 2 from Runway, and I generated the individual shots to build up the scene that I had written.
So all the images, all those shots,
everything, yeah.
All AI.
From text to video. So I
you
typed
put
in what I wanted.
Wow.
Yeah. And the process is not streamlined. It's a little bit like your blind millionaire photographer that's asking an assistant to help you out, but that assistant doesn't speak English very well. So you're sitting there asking, okay, I want this shot, and you're getting back images, but they're like, okay, these aren't quite what I want.
Like,
so
generate again, generate again.
Okay, change the language a little bit. You didn't quite understand that word. Okay, didn't quite understand that. So you're going back and forth, trying to find your way to this place where your assistant can understand what you're trying to convey so you can tell the story.
It's a new way to express yourself and engage with content, making every video a unique experience. Blockade Labs is pioneering the realm of virtual reality. Dive into immersive experiences that transport you to different dimensions, all from the comfort of your home. From gaming to education, Blockade Labs is reshaping how we interact with digital content, offering a glimpse into the future of entertainment. Beyond tools and entertainment, AI's impact on society is profound. It's revolutionizing industries, creating opportunities, and challenging traditional norms.
The next observation is a study made from University of Central Florida that shows how people react when they work next to artificial intelligence. And at first you're really happy because it's taking your boring jobs away from you, so you can do something that's nice. And then the computer gets smarter and smarter and smarter than you, so it also takes away some of those parts of your jobs that you really liked.
As we stand on the brink of an AI-driven era, it's crucial to understand and harness its potential for a better tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through AI Tools, your survival kit. As we continue to explore the cutting-edge tools shaping our world, we invite you to stay curious, keep innovating, and be part of this technological revolution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI. Until next time.